Here I got Motorola Moto G8 Plus, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to locate and open your Play Store, then go to the More, pick My Apps and Games, and here you can pick some particular application that you would like to update, for example Google Drive. Just click on Update tab right next to the app name, and as you can see here you can observe the progress. At first the latest version will be downloaded and then installed. As you can see now, at the bottom of the list you will find it under Recently Updated, but you can also update all applications at once. Just click on Update All, and as you can see it will be done automatically. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way. You can call somebody, you can use all the features that your Moto G8 Plus has, and then you can go back to Play Store and check the progress. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily update applications in your Motorola. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.